Hello everyone and welcome to the Symbiosis channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use WalletConnect with Symbiosis Swap, a powerful feature that allows you to seamlessly swap cryptocurrencies and manage your digital assets. Let's dive right. Firstly, let's understand what WalletConnect is. WalletConnect is an open-source protocol that enables secure communication between decentralized applications like Symbiosis and your crypto wallet. It allows you to interact securely with blockchain networks while maintaining control over your funds. Symbiosis Swap is a cutting-edge feature within the Symbiosis app that enables you to swap one cryptocurrency for another directly from your wallet. It provides a seamless and secure way to exchange assets and manage your portfolio. To start your journey with WalletConnect and a wallet, you simply need to download and install the Wallet app on your mobile phone. We have installed the 1-inch Wallet app and ready to enter the world of Symbiosis. Open the Symbiosis app on your device and navigate to the Swap section. Look for the Connect Wallet button and select WalletConnect from the list of available options. Now, go back to the 1-inch Wallet app on your device. Look for the wallet connection, typically located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the scanning interface. Align your device's camera with the QR code shown in the WalletConnect app. Once the code is successfully scanned, you'll see a confirmation message on both apps indicating that the connection has been established. Congratulations! You're now ready to start swapping cryptocurrencies using Symbiosis and the 1-inch Wallet app. Open the Symbiosis app and navigate to the Swap section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap from the list of available options. Enter the desired amount and choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to receive in return. Confirm the transaction details and review the associated fees. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Swap button. At this stage, you'll need to approve the transaction on the 1-inch Wallet app. Verify the details once again and tap on the Confirm button to authorize the swap. Wait for the transaction to be processed by the blockchain network. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification of the completed swap on both the Symbiosis and 1-inch Wallet apps. And there you have it. You successfully learned how to use WalletConnect with Symbiosis Swap, specifically for 1-inch. Now, you can dive into the world of decentralized finance and make secure and efficient crypto swaps. Remember to always double-check the transaction details and stay vigilant when interacting with DeFi applications. Happy swapping, and we'll see you in the next video.